Welcome to the Harvested channel. Today I'll show you how to manage app permissions on the AGM H6. So first open settings, let's scroll down from the top here and scroll down again. Then press the settings button here. Next go to the apps section and here press on this arrow here, see all 46 apps. So now you can search your apps you want to see, click on the app and look in the permissions section. If you don't like the permissions that an app has, you can revoke it to make your phone more secure. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the Harvested channel for more videos, leave a like and a comment, and goodbye.